I have spent an incredible amount of time and money experimenting with just about every AI video tool currently on the market to see what actually works. The honest truth is that no single platform acts as a perfect Swiss Army knife for every video need, as each generator specializes in different strengths. In this deep dive, I am going to break down exactly which AI tool you should reach for depending on your specific project goals. I will also share the exact workflow I use to take those raw AI outputs and turn them into viral short-form clips using the Vizard platform. Let us start with Halo O2, which is absolutely fantastic if you already have a stunning source image and want to bring it to life with cinematic motion. I tested it by dropping in a blacksmith photo, and Halo effortlessly added sparks and smooth camera rotation to make the scene feel truly alive. While Halo is not the best for pure text-to-video, it remains a go-to choice for high-quality short image animations. Moving on to Cedense, which is a true standout when you need to handle complex multi-shot storytelling within a single prompt. Where other tools struggle to maintain consistency, Seedance keeps your character identity, lighting, and camera angles perfectly aligned across different shots. If you are building a mini narrative and need the output to feel like it was filmed by a real director, this is the tool you want. Then we have Kling, also known as Kling.ai, which is a fantastic value play if you are focused on high-volume production. It is surprisingly affordable and offers powerful features like negative prompting, which helps you avoid common AI glitches like distorted fingers or messy backgrounds. It acts as a reliable workhorse, making it perfect for creators who need to pump out lots of short assets without needing hyper-polished perfection. A newcomer that recently caught my eye is 12.2. which delivers surprisingly realistic environmental details like water ripples and atmospheric wind. The lighting and mood on this model are incredible, making it perfect for creating cinematic B-roll that looks like it was lifted straight from a movie. If you care deeply about sound synchronization, Google V3 is currently in a league of its own compared to everything else. It integrates sound directly into the scene, so you get ambient audio that actually matches the motion of your characters or environment. Using V3 to create scenes where audio and motion sync perfectly adds that crucial layer of believability that other generators just cannot pull off. Then there is Runway, which is less about simple generation and more about heavy-duty video editing and professional-grade visual effects. Whether you need to remove background objects, change the lighting, or stylize an entire scene, Runway provides the deep control you need for professional work. Midjourney has also entered the video space, which is a great option if your creative pipeline is already deeply rooted in their image generation ecosystem. It is perfect for quick, animated iterations and stylized movement loops that fit right into the aesthetic you have already built. Finally, we have Hicksfield, which is the absolute king when you are looking for viral, eye-catching visual effects. If you want disintegration effects, explosions, or surreal camera zooms for your Instagram reels, this is the playground you need to explore. So, after testing all these tools, where does Vizard fit into your creative workflow? The reality is that successful creators are using multiple tools to get their work done, and Vizard acts as the operational superpower that connects them all. Vizard is not here to replace your generators, but rather to solve the difficult problem of turning your long-form content into bite-sized viral clips. It features auto-editing, which automatically scans your footage to find the best moments based on pacing, expressions, and audio cues. You save hours of manual chopping by letting the platform surface the exact 3 to 7 second moments that are most likely to go viral. Beyond just editing, the scheduling and calendar features turn a chaotic posting habit into a systematic, growth-oriented engine. Instead of manually uploading every single clip and risking burnout, you set your posting cadence and let Vizard handle the publishing. This is a massive time saver when you are juggling outputs from different generators and trying to maintain a consistent stream of content. I personally use Halo for cinematic shots, V3 for audio-driven scenes, and then run everything through Vizard to slice them into platform-ready cuts. The result is that I spend my time on high-level creativity instead of hunting for the perfect cut, which significantly boosts my output. Manual editing is simply too slow and often leads to inconsistent formatting and missed opportunities for growth. Vizard standardizes the virality-friendly formatting you need, which helps you post more often, and consistency is the key to beating the algorithm. Ultimately, each AI generator has its own superpower, but Vizard is the essential multiplier that makes the whole stack scalable and sustainable. If you are ready to master this pipeline, let me know, and I can walk you through the specific prompts and scheduling cadences I use every week. We can map out a workflow that saves you hours of work and actually helps you grow your channel traction. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more tips on how to conquer the world of AI-assisted video creation.